Hi, I'm Danny Butts, PGA Head Golf Professional here at West Bay Club.
And I'm Steve Storks, Golf Course Superintendent here at West Bay Club.
And today we're going to walk you through a couple things to make sure that we're taking great care of our golf course. Okay, so this is very common in any green across America. Impression made by a golf ball that comes through the air and lands on the ground, called the ball mark, and they're very simple to repair. However, they interrupt putting quite a bit, and they're very hard to putt over. Just out of curiosity, Steve, how long does it take a properly repaired ball mark to recover?
During the growing season, typically 7 to 14 days. January, February during season could take a little bit longer, maybe between 14 and 21 days to 100% heal.
How about if it's improperly repaired?
Improperly repaired could take 2 to 3 weeks during the growing season.
And during our cold season, I guess, how long does it take during that? Is it even longer?
Yeah, a little bit longer, a little bit over 21 days.
So really simple. A golf ball comes in, makes a small impression in the green. You can just use a tee and push the tee into the high point of the ball mark here, and do that, and push it back toward the center, and just kind of go around the ball mark, and simply just tap it back down. It's repaired, and a ball will roll smoothly over the top of it, and there you go. We fix a ball mark. We encourage you to fix your own ball mark plus one other. Probably a less intrusive version of green damage is scuff marks on a green, and this is caused by just foot traffic, and it happens for a variety of different ways. Most of the time, I would assume that, Steve, as we mow and we roll, these go away pretty quickly.
Yeah. And the more often we vertigreen greens, less often this will happen.
But it's caused, pretty simply by, people either moonwalking or, walking backwards. Tends to leave scuff marks. We ask you not to moonwalk on the greens. The other thing that happens is people will do occasionally a little body English as they're making a putt. They'll putt and twist. Sometimes it helps it go in, sometimes it doesn't. But that generally leaves these little spin out marks. And just general walking on the green, we ask you not to scuff your feet or do the icky shuffle. If you can avoid that, and when you see spike marks or scuff marks on the green, just simply tap them down when you can. The rules of golf now allow us to tap down spike marks and repair greens even before we putt it. So if it's in your line, tap them down and keep the putting surface smooth for your fellow members.
So in closing, proper care of the greens is going to provide for a better putting surface and just an overall aesthetically better pleasing appearance of the green.
Take care of your golf course, and hopefully it'll take care of you.